Hi, I'm Liu Bei 老师. Why I suddenly use English in my video? Because I like to encourage my pupils to speak more English when they are making their videos. So let's speak English. Yes. Alright, so today is Wesak Day. Let us talk about Wesak Day. So what is Wesak Day? Why is this day so special about? Okay, for Buddhists, Wesak Day is to celebrate, to commemorate the birth, the enlightenment, and the nirvana of Gautama Buddha. So, Wesak Day is one of the very most sacred religious festivals that will be celebrated by the Buddhists, the billion of Buddhists around the world. Okay, what should we do during the Wesak Day? As a Buddhist, normally we will paying homage. Okay, we will pay homage to Buddha at temple, and some Buddhists will practice vegetarianism. Okay, means eat vegetables, eat tofu, eat long beans, okay, eat fruits, and so on. Okay, in that day, and some even will have a whole day meditation. Okay, just meditate for a whole day, and some will abstain from sex and alcohol. Mean no sex and no alcohol. All right, so let's talk about the main character of the Wesak Day. So, who is the main character? The answer is, of course, Buddha. Buddha, as we know as Gautama Buddha, also we call it the Siddhartha Gautama, was one of the greatest, one of the greatest religious teachers that have far-reaching influence our civilization. Okay, he was a founder of Buddhism, and so, what was he so special? Was he a god? No. Okay, he was a human, like us. But today I'll introduce his another side of his personality. Oops. Okay, sorry Buddha. Maybe just now I said something wrong about Buddha. Alright. Okay, let's continue our topic. Yes, Buddha was one of the greatest socialist reformers. Okay, not only at his time but throughout our civilizations. Okay, why I say like that? Because as we know in Buddha time, the world was full of oppressions and exploitations. Okay, the society that time was strictly practicing the caste system. Okay, what is the caste system? The caste system means that he divided mankind into 4 distinct separate classes. Okay, the first classes, the uppermost classes, the highest classes means is the Brahmins. Okay, the Brahmin means the priest classes, the priest class. Okay, the second class is the Kshatriya. Kshatriya means that the nobilities and the royalties. The third class is Vaishya, the civilian. Okay, like us. Okay, civilian. The last class is the Sutra, is the slave. Okay, so all these classes is hereditary. Okay, what does it mean hereditary? It means that if you were a slave, your son would be the slave, your grandson would be a slave, and your grandson would be a slave. So this is for generations. Okay, you couldn't choose what you wish to do. Okay, when you were in the time of Buddha. All right. So what did Buddha do? So he tried to make a change. Buddha was the first man there to openly oppose. Okay, to oppose this caste system, and he tried to break through the taboos of the caste system by allowing numbers of slaves into the Sangha community. Okay, means the monk communities that he founded. For example, one of the most famous Buddha's disciples, okay, Upali, he was a slave. Okay, before his renunciations. Another one very famous disciples of Buddha called Puna, and he was a Brahmin. You see, it means that a sutra, a slave, and a Brahmin, they stay together in Buddha monk community. It means that all peoples from different castes, they can stay peacefully, they can live peacefully, they can enjoy the work peacefully together in the Buddha monk community. Okay, this is one of the Buddha achievement. Okay, besides he challenged the caste system, Buddha was also a feminist. Ooh, feminist. Okay, why is that so? Because Buddha, he had set a non-unit. For women at that time. And the women from every caste are allowed to join Buddha non-unit, even prostitute. Okay, one of the famous nun that time, she's called Upalawana, and she was a prostitute, okay, before her renunciation. Okay, so it means that, you see, the idea of the Buddha was very advanced, not only at his time, but even at our modern time, okay, because there are a lot of discrimination on women still existing, okay, at currently. Alright, okay, so Buddha, he was a crown prince that abdicated his kingship, and he also a religious teacher that would deny the Brahmin theocracy, and he's an social activist that defended the civil right, and he was a man that valued the right of women. So this is another side of Buddha. But for many years, for 1,000 years, Buddhism has typically depicted as a religious which is indifferent to politics and worldly affair. So I think this is very wrong image conceived by towards Buddhism due to some history reason. Okay, so I think in this so special day, Wesak Day, besides we pray before the Buddha statue, why not we learn the spirit of Buddha? We learn the spirit. What spirit we need to learn? The first one, no fear. Okay, no fear to oppressions, and defense the right of the common people. So the last but not least, I wish all Buddhists around the world happy Wesak Day. Thank you.